Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, February 16th. The practice we're going to do today is called the moving world. The very nature of mindfulness is to tune into your experience at any given moment, noticing as you go that every experience is impermanent. That is to say, everything is always changing. Feelings come and go, thoughts arise and pass, and sounds pop up and disappear. We can use this changing nature as the object of our awareness during the day. Tuning into all the change in the world will help you identify impermanence in action and give you a variety of things to focus on. So now take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. For this practice, leave the eyes open and set the intention to rest in the awareness of your present time experience. Place the awareness on the body and the breath, taking in where you are, how you are, what's happening right now. You can begin by noticing where you can feel motion in the body as you sit still or lie down. Rest with the breath and pay attention to the belly, chest, shoulders, and anywhere else you can sense the change. Notice that even though your body is still, there is always some change. Notice that even when you try to make your breath uniform, you can't really do it. Every breath is different. Now open to your sense of hearing. Notice the presence of any noises, specifically tuning into their changing nature. Depending on where you are, you may hear cars come and go, the breath flowing in and out, birds chirping and stopping, or any other sounds as they rise and eventually fade away. When a sound comes into your awareness, focus on it for a few moments before opening up to the sounds again. Notice their changing nature. I'll be silent for a little bit. And finally, use your sense of sight and see the movement in the world. Where can you see that, or what can you see that's moving or changing? And there may be some obvious movement, like cars driving, trees blowing in the wind, people on the move, trees, waves. Or you may also notice subtle signs of movement and change. like clouds floating across the sky. Or if you're looking at your screen now and seeing my view, you can see the change of the sky with the sunrise. Again, I'll be silent for a little while, giving you the opportunity to tune into your moving world. And now return to the sensation of movement in the body. Again, even if you're sitting still or lying still, there is subtle movement of your breath, subtle movement of the body. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now let go of this practice, and as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue this practice of noticing the moving world, the changes, obvious and subtle, that are always happening. Grounding yourself in the impermanence of things. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.